Hello, you can contact me for obtaining SAP IDS ECC6 ESP8 on VMware with validity up to year 9999 with lifetime validity. This also contains FIORI in it. You can see this also contains FIORI in it. It also has master data in it, and it also has the web GUI in it. You can contact me for obtaining this SAP IDS. Hello, you can contact me for downloading and installing many SAP versions on your PC, network, cloud. This is SAP S4HANA 2025. You can see over here. You can see this is lifetime activated. This is S4HANA 2025. You can check. And these are the components. This is SAP S4HANA 2025. And it is lifetime activated. You can launch FIORI from here. Give the username and password. Okay, this is FIORI. You can contact me for downloading and installing many SAP versions including ECC6, S4HANA versions are available. You can contact me for downloading and installing on your computer, network, cloud. Thanks for watching the video.